everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Makeup. In this video I'm gonna make a review about the foundation. As you read in the title, it's this foundation from Bourjois. It's Air Matte foundation, and this is the packaging, how it looks like. It's Bourjois Air Matte undetectable matte finish. It should be 24 hours hold. Okay, so this one is the lightest color. It's the Ivory Rose. It's number 1. So this is the lightest color that I found, and actually it's the same as my color. It's my skin color, but it's kind of a more yellow, have kind of a yellow tint to yellow undertone in it. So when you apply it, you feel that you have like this kind of a mask face effect, which is not what it says just right here. They are rating a fresh, lightweight matte finish, 24 hours hold, as light as air. The formula glides onto the skin for a matte finish, perfect coverage and flawless complexion, no mask effect. Okay, let the skin breathe, non-chemogenic. Okay, I don't know how to see that word. Non-drying. Anyway, this is under dermatological control. Okay, this one I hate it. It's the worst foundation I have ever tried. This one is not cool at all. First, when you blend it with your skin, I feel it like having a lot of strike. I always blend my foundation with brushes, but this one, when I blend it, it's really weird and give me this weird effect, like having like strikes everywhere. It should be flawless with the brush, because I'm doing in like swirl motion and then dabbing motion. With this one, it takes a lot of time to feel it glides on and looks perfect on my skin. So it takes a lot of work, and I need to work it after brush. I need to use a beauty blender to make it look flawless, not like other foundation that I used before. So it takes a lot of work, it takes a lot of time to look beautiful on my skin, and it oxidizes really quickly. It's like a 1 degree darker than the color of the foundation. I feel like it just showed up every imperfection of my skin, and it's a kind of a medium coverage. You can build it, but still medium coverage. It doesn't cover anything for me. I feel like I don't know, but I don't like it. It just feels so weird on my skin. I feel like it shows up every dry area. It's not like hydrated. I have a combination skin, and this should be for combination and oily skin. So it should be nice for my skin, but I don't know. I feel it's the worst foundation I have ever tried. It's not working for me. Even when my skin is good, I have a little bit of patchy parts here because I was going through the my period or menstrual cycle just finished. So when I go through it, sometimes I have skin changes because of the hormonal changes that I have. So I have a little bit of dryness in this part only, not in this part. Actually, it shows up every detail, which is annoying, and I don't like it, and I feel it makes me so yellow, and it shouldn't be. It looks really nice on the camera. It doesn't look yellow when you see it from the packaging, but when I apply it to my skin, I feel it's more yellowish than it should be. I have a neutral skin tone, so I can go either way, but it's so yellow for me. Looks so flawless on the camera, but from here I can see all the details. I'm gonna like zoom in a little. I hope you can see. So do you see that? It shows up everything on my skin. Normally when I use other foundations like Catrice, for example, it doesn't show up when I have really flaky skin. Really give me a really nice coverage and a really nice skin finish. But this one, even when I have this side is so good, but still feel it's more textured than it should be. So no, I don't like it at all. Like, feels so weird on my skin, not like what it should give me. For me, I don't like it. I don't like it. Actually, I got this one because a lot of people said it's really good thing, but for me, no, 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 no. I guess I'm gonna give it another try because it's still new actually. Maybe I'm doing something wrong. If you have any ideas how I fix this and makes it glide nicely on my skin, please let me know down below, because to make it look flawless takes a lot of effort to do that, so I don't like it. I don't like it at all. For this makeup look, I'm gonna link in the card description box down below if you want to see the makeup look. It's kind of a lifelike unedited video, so if you enjoy this kind of video, I'm gonna link it for you so you can see it. So for me, do I like this foundation, or I'm gonna recommend it for anyone? No, I don't think so, but I'm gonna give it like another try to see. Maybe I'm doing something wrong. I'm gonna search something a little bit so I can like find out what I can do with it. I hope I can find a solution. If I don't recommend it. I'm not a fan. I'm not a fan of it. So this is for this video. I really hope you like it, and as usual, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and share the video with your friends if you like it. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. These links will be in the description box down below. And don't forget to hit the bell button so you have a notification every time I upload a new video on my channel. And I'm gonna see you soon in my next video. I love you so much. Bye.